brought to you by Tex.
This is an air piano that senses your hand and plays a music note. This design will be an asset to the market as we can customize the keys according to the demand of the consumer at any time. So why is this product different from the ones in the market today? Well, our product can be modified at any time to any type of MP4 file on demand. Along with that, you can even add your own sound to it. And along with that, you can see how amazing the packaging looks. And in a normal piano, people usually get bored and stop using it or sell it. So, this is going to be an endless fun for the consumer and a revolutionary product. And when this launches into the market, this is going to bring greater sales than the ones that we have in the market today. Does this newer generation piano sound amazing? Well, it is. And this is a great product for investors to invest in. But wait, who is going to buy these products though? Well, anybody can afford these products, at least with a minimum wage. And that, ladies and gentlemen, is going to result in us having huge profit. And just like this guy right over here. So finally, does this air piano sound amazing that you can play it while not even touching it? Well, that is more than enough to convince me to buy this product. And you should too. Hey, but wait, why are your hands shaking? It's COVID times.